Welcome. Today I'm going to walk you through on how to rename folders in a computer. So if you are looking for a solution on how to rename folders or a folder in your computer, know that you are in the right place as I'm going to walk you through on how to do that. The first is to click on the File Explorer tab. Sorry, pinned at the taskbar by default. So click on it for it to open. Okay, we are now on the File Explorer page, and there are some major folders that are created by default, which is desktop, downloads, documents, pictures, music, and video. These folders you cannot rename them because they are like this by default. There's some other folders that are created inside these major folders you can rename. Okay, so let me go with for example, now documents folder, documents, I'll click on documents. So these are some folders that are created inside this documents folder. I have A plus content, Amazon Web Services, blog post, and the rest. Okay. Now let's assume I want to rename the one named blog post. The first step you have to take is to click on it for it to be selected. Then click on it again for it to be highlighted. This name has been highlighted now, so I can then change it to what I want to have it. Okay, let's say blogs or so space real. All right, so anything you know how you want to name your own. After typing the new name, hit the enter key of your computer keyboard, of your laptop keyboard. Okay, once you do that, the name is saved. You can see that this blogs rail has been saved. Then there's another approach you can use to rename a folder in your computer. Click on the folder name for it to be selected. Then right click on the folder. Okay. Then you can see some options here. And the option we are looking for is show more options. Okay. So click on show more options. So this will open some other options that will allow us to rename this folder. Okay, you can see the option for rename. So click on rename. Then type, clean this one and type the new name you want this folder to be identified with. So let's say blog post. Let me return it back to its original name, blog posts. Okay. And after typing the name, press the enter key of your computer keyboard. The name is saved. And that's simple. So these are just the few methods you can take to rename folders that are created in your computer. I hope this video helps. Please do well to subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button. Like this video because it will make a good difference to my channel and I need to grow, so it will help in the growth. And also leave a comment. Thank you and see you some other time.